The lighting is not the best, but this is my hair, guys. I freaking love it. I love it, the color. I love the cut too. Yes. In my kitchen, I am gonna be sharing with y'all. I'm gonna be using the air fryer today, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna be unboxing it, which is something you don't really see. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna be using my air fryer today. I'm gonna make sweet potato fries, and I'm gonna be using it for chicken. So I'm gonna try it out how it works. But yeah, it comes with a lot of this stuff. Let me move the camera so you guys can see this more. Where do I do this? This is so hard when you don't have a stand. I guess I figured it out. I'm gonna be taking out the air fryer. I got this air fryer at Target for, I think it was like 60 bucks. So it wasn't a bad deal. I've always wanted one, and I've seen All Things Ada use it to cook all her stuff. So I was like, you know what? I'm trying to be healthy. I'm not trying to have oil in my food. So yes, here it is. So I'm kind of excited to use it. Yeah, I've seen people use it, and definitely want to eliminate oil from my diet. So if I could do that by using this thingy-majingy, I definitely thought it was gonna be bigger because the box is huge. Like literally, the box is huge. So let's try this out. You know, I've officially become an adult when you get excited for a little shit like this, like the electronic stuff. Like, it's an air fryer and it smells new and it's new. Like, come on, like, yeah. So this is it. There's a lot of plastic that I'm just gonna grab my scissors and cut the plastic because you know what I did? I tried cooking every single day after work for my lunch for the next day, and that gets super exhausting. So I was like, you know what, one day on Sunday I'm gonna meal prep, cook 5 meals. Hopefully, I'm figuring it out as I'm adulting. So I am doing that. So on Sundays I get to meal prep my food for the rest of the week, my lunches, and that is where I'm at right now. So I went to Costco earlier today and I bought Italian sausage raviolis, and I'm gonna be making this for, I don't know, for one day, but I have water boiling over there. Oh, much plastic. Look at that. Why? Why is there so much mess? Alright guys, I'm gonna figure this out. I need to go wash it, so yeah, stay tuned. I've already cleaned my pot for my air fryer. I am now gonna connect it. It's literally right here. You guys could see it. I'm gonna connect it. I have never used one before, so no sé cómo me va a servir. Okay, are you on? Like, what's going on? Like, how does it work? Oh, it made a noise. Look, it made a noise. Okay, so I guess when you don't have anything inside there, it turns off. So I'll show you guys so you guys can see this stuff too. So basically, ahorita it looks completely off the screen. There's nothing here. I don't know if you guys could see it, pero it's empty. So when I'm gonna put my papas in fry, I bought some sweet potato fries from Trader Joe's because I used to love these in college actually. And I love them a lot, and I was like, this would be like something cool to eat and try for my air fryer because I know I was gonna get it. So they look like this. I'm just gonna put them in a little basket, half of the bag, because I want them to be spread out. And obviously, because I'm trying this out, I don't know how or what impressions I want to try it. I want to see how it works first, so that's what I put in my air fryer, and I'm gonna squeeze it in there. And as you guys could tell, there's a little button. I'm gonna press start, and on the back it says it recommends it for 425. So let's change the temperature to oven, so deep fry. I think this is a deep fryer. No. Actually, it's at 400 degrees. 400 degrees for 6 minutes. So let's see how it works its magic. I'm super excited. I've never used an air fryer before, so this is where it's at right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Se quemaron unas. They smell oil free. Wow. So let's. That was only 6 minutes, guys. That was super fast. I'm gonna put them on a plate. Oops, I made a mess. Dude, this thing is like super cool because in 6 minutes, las papas were ready. Instead of having to grab a cazuela, having to put oil, waiting for the oil to be ready, and then putting them and then having to take them out and letting them like cool. So right now, my sweet potato fries are chilling. This is how they are right now. So, yeah. Aquí nomás. Aquí nomás, it's Monday. It's day 8 of Vlogmas. I am super tired. It's a long Monday, but I am here at the pho place. Gonna eat some pho, so I'm excited. Yay! Me miro bien cansada. Mira. Here with what is this thing called? Sriracha sauce. Sriracha sauce? Yeah, I'm tired, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a better Monday. Toodles. Ready for fun. I need that extra flavor. Despacito's playing. Ay. So good. So good. Me está corriendo el moco, guys. This pho is amazing. Ya que se me lo acabé todo. And the service here is amazing. I can't turn the camera around. Oh. Pero los dieron ice cream. And then we got egg rolls. Oranges. And then we got oranges.
Hospitality for the 6 people.
And then she got some lemon stuff because my housemate is sick. So, yeah. Amazing service. Me está corriendo el moco. But this pho place, I will put the location aquí so you guys can go follow them. But amazing pho place. I'm definitely gonna come back. Yeah. What's good, my people? Happy Tuesday. Aquí nomás, I am literally in my bed already. It is about 7:30 p.m. Tuesday. So today I had a long day at work today. So I want to go home. I went to my parents' house. I want to go wash my jeans, and now I am home about to read People magazine and checking out I can't pronounce her name, but basically gonna be checking out the magazine for all their wedding photos. So it's still dark outside, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's still dark. (6:22 a.m.) What's good, my people? Happy Thursday. Aquí nomás, it is literally dark outside still. It is about 6:21 a.m. I have a field trip to take my students to, so I have to be at my school site at 7 a.m. So this is right now. I'm gonna get some donuts and then go to the school site, because yeah, yay, happy Thursday. Also, I'm still recuperating from being sick, so yeah, happy Thursday. It's almost Friday, guys. Yay. All right, talk to you later. Bye. What's good, my people? Aquí nomás, it's 7 a.m. well, basically it's gonna be 7 a.m. I'm waiting for my students so we can go on the field trip, But other than that, I'm ready for the field trip today. Wearing something comfortable, wearing my shoes, my San Jose State sweater. And it's cold, and I'm still recuperating from a cold, so that's why I'm wearing my headband thingy. But other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day. Was able to get my donuts for my students, so hopefully they come soon. I'm gonna comer todas. Other than that, hope you guys have a fabulous day. I will talk to y'all later. Toodles. What's good, you people? Happy Friday. You know, I just left our holiday social. Now I am walking towards the Michelle Obama thingy, so I'm excited. So stay tuned. So yeah, I'm on my way to go see Michelle Obama. I'm here by myself, solo, YOLO. You know, you only live once, so I'm not gonna miss the opportunity to go see Michelle. So here I am. Yay! Aquí nomás, I have made it inside the SAP Center. I am here with Michelle. It's not the real Michelle, but it's as close as I get. I'm excited. Yay.
Michelle LaVaughn Robinson Obama. Because strong women come from strong male role models in their lives. Find the people who believe in you and stop paying attention to the few ones who don't know you and don't care about you and aren't thinking about you. There is room for life first, and then work will be there. It'll be there. Don't let fear be your guide. You know, you have to practice getting out of your comfort zone. You know, you have to practice putting yourselves in situations that make you just a little uncomfortable.
What's good, you people? So ya acabo de salir from seeing Michelle Obama, and let me just tell you guys that it was super amazing, that she super inspirational. Basically, from what I got from her her speech was basically to don't let fear get in the way of things and to continue being amazing. And she also gave out a shout out to counselors, so I was like, yes, she understands me. Also, so it was overall, it was worth every single dollar. She was amazing. I'll be sharing clips from that. Now I'm walking back to my car because I'm probably a little bit far, but overall overall she was amazing. As expected, her outfit was beautiful and nice. She's amazing, and her words of advice were overall, so don't be afraid, don't let fear get in the way, to share our own stories, because it's super important that we share our own stories. But yeah, overall, well worth every dollar. Yes. What's good, people? Happy Saturday. Aquí nomás getting ready. I have my mascara in my hand, and I am getting ready. I am gonna be going to a ugly Christmas theme party, no sé, but basically this is where I'm at right now. I am in my room. It's so cute. I have done half of my makeup. I mean, I already have my glow. I'm putting on mascara right now, and I need to put some lipstick and finish it up the look, and obviously do my hair. My hair is the last part that I do when I get ready, so it's like kind of like dry and all that stuff. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. My outfit's like right there. But yeah, I am getting ready for that. So hopefully you guys are enjoying my vlogmas. I don't really vlog as much as I should, but yeah, this is where I'm at right now, guys. So yeah, busy weekend, busy couple of days, but that is where I'm at right now. I look like a hot mess, but I am here. Yes. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Baby shark.